The man in front of the camera had the audacity to act inappropriately toward the waiter, but a nearby customer bravely stood up for justice. The man in front of us was being criticized by other passengers for not giving up his seat. However, what happened next brought tears to everyone's eyes. To test the children's honesty, the man intentionally dropped money behind them to see if they would return it. A couple was passing by when a group of thugs started harassing the girlfriend. However, what happened next made it clear that her boyfriend, who practiced martial arts, wasn't going to let them off easily.